Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use blooming gel on nails. Blooming gel is a fantastic product that allows you to create stunning, artistic designs with ease. It's a clear or translucent gel that, when applied, causes other gel polishes to spread and bloom into beautiful patterns. This technique is perfect for achieving marble, floral, or abstract watercolor effects, adding a professional touch to your manicure. Before applying blooming gel, proper nail preparation is key for lasting results. Start with clean, filed, and buffed nails, ensuring they are completely oil-free. Next, apply a thin layer of your preferred gel base coat and cure it under a UV lamp for 60 seconds or an LED lamp for 30 seconds. Then, apply 1 or 2 thin coats of your desired base color gel polish, curing each layer thoroughly. Now for the fun part, creating your design. Apply a thin, even layer of blooming gel over your cured color coat, but do not cure this layer yet. While the blooming gel is still wet, use a dotting tool or a fine brush to draw your desired patterns with a contrasting gel polish. Observe as the design naturally spreads and blooms. Once you are happy with the effect, cure the nail under your lamp for 60 to 90 seconds. To protect your beautiful blooming gel design and add a glossy finish, apply a thin, even layer of a no-wipe top coat. Cure this final layer under your UV lamp for 60 seconds or LED lamp for 30 seconds. If you used a traditional top coat, gently wipe away any sticky inhibition layer with an alcohol wipe. Finish by applying cuticle oil to keep your nails and surrounding skin hydrated and healthy.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.